Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to take the DMV written test at home. So if your state's DMV allows remote testing, then just follow along. First, visit your state's official DMV website and sign into your account. Check whether the at-home written test is available in your state and whether you meet the eligibility requirements. And if you're eligible, schedule your online exam or begin the testing process if appointments aren't required. And before the exam starts, you need to prepare a quiet room with a reliable internet connection. Some states require a webcam, microphone, and photo identification for identity verification. Follow all instructions provided by the DMV before beginning the test. And during the exam, avoid using notes, other devices, or receiving help from another person, as many online tests are monitored. And once you've completed the test, submit your answers and wait for your results. And if you pass, follow the DMV's instructions for completing the remaining licensing requirements. So that was how to take the DMV written test at home. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.